Hi guys, welcome to Ichimoku channel. I'm super excited to have you guys here today. So it's a new year, so today I want us to be going through this strategy right there that was able to made me 70,000 plus profit with just a $900 account. So this trade is one of the trades I took, and I took this trade I think probably yesterday, and you can see this then I'll be running through a massive profit right here. So you can see right here we have a trade here on VIX 75 index, and then we also have a trade on crash 300, and the last one is crash 500. So probably all the trade we took here is running to a massive profit, which you can see right there. So without wasting much of our time, so if you are new to the Driver channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification. Enter with posting strategy, you guys will be aware. So also guys, we want you to know that we do something with offer account management. This is new year, so we're aiming to help as much as possible to help much people to make money trading. And if you want to us to manage your account, just contact the number you're seeing on the screen. It's our WhatsApp number, so you can contact us right there, and then we have our terms and conditions for account management. And if you agree with the terms, then we are going to manage your account for you. So just contact the number you are seeing at the screen, or check the link in the description below, or check the description below. You see our WhatsApp number right there. So without being said, let quickly jump in. So you can also join our Telegram community for free signal. So you can join. The link is going to be in the description below, so you can join that Telegram out. So now, before diving into the strategy, I want you guys to know the settings for the strategy. So before we jump into the confirmation and everything you need to know about the strategy. So the first thing you want to do is just go to this icon you are seeing at the top. So that is where you are going to be adding your indicator up. Now I won't be able to delete all the settings up, so I'll be just okay, maybe let's do it this way. I'll show you. I'll just teaching you guys. I'll just show you guys one by one after the other. So just set it up at its B, and then you are good to go. So the first indicator we are going to be adding is just going to be the Bollinger Band, so which is going to be in our main chart. So click on the F plus. So I click on the F plus, click on the Bollinger Band. So this is parameters for the Bollinger Band. The period is 21, deviation is 2.005, and the shift is 0. Apply to close, and the style I'm going to be using the black color. So you will set it up like this, then click on done, and then you have your Bollinger Band right in your main chart. Now the next indicator we are going to be adding is going to be our stochastic oscillator. Now remember, the stochastic oscillator is in the indicator window one, but to add it up, just click on the F plus. So when you click on the F plus, search for the stochastic oscillator, and when you set this up, it's going to be listed on indicator window one. So click on the stochastic oscillator. This is the parameters. This is parameters for the stochastic oscillator. Just set it up like this, and the levels. This is the levels for the stochastic oscillator. We need the 15 and the 85 levels, and I'm going to be using the black color for the levels. So when set it up like this, then you click on done. So it's going to be listed on your indicator window one. So now the next indicator we are going to add is going to be our moving average. So click on the now to add the moving average up, click on the F plus, which is going to be in our indicator window one. Click on the indicator window one F plus, search for the moving average and click on it. So when you click on the moving average, these parameters for the moving average. The period is going to be 23, shift is 0, the method is simple, apply to close, and the style I'm going to be using the pink color. I'm just going to be using this color. Sorry, I don't know the type of color it is, so I'm going to be using this color right here. So you can choose any color of your choice. Now when set it up, then click on done, and then you are good to go. So the next indicator we are going to be adding is also going to be the moving average. Click on the indicator window one F plus, search for the moving average, then this parameters for the second moving average. The period is 12, shift is 0, the method is also simple, apply to close, and the style I'm going to be using the black color. So when set it up, then click on done, and then you are good to go. So the last but not the least indicator we are going to be adding is also going to be in our indicator window one. So click on the F plus, then search for your Ichimoku and click on the Ichimoku. So we're clicking on the Ichimoku now. This is parameters for the Ichimoku. The Tension is 5, the Tension is 3, and the span B is 22. So make it to fill, and then we need the style, which is we need your up Kumo and the down Kumo color. So when set it up, then click on done, and then you are good to go. This is how your chart is going to be look like. This is how your chart is going to look like. Now, so I want to be able to explain you guys how you can use this strategy on on the higher time frame. But same way you are using the strategy on your 1 minute time frame is the same way that you are going to be using the strategy on your higher time frame, which is your 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 hour time frame. So the last time frame you can use the strategy is your 1 hour time frame. Now the zoom level we are going to be using the zoom 3, probably the zoom 3, the second to the last zoom level. That is the zoom level that we are going to be using. Now, so looking at it right here, all the trades that I took here on this $900 account was a sniper entry. So now, and this is the thing that you guys need to know for making your use of the strategy. So I think most of us like scalping, so I'll be using strategy I'll be teaching you guys the scalping aspects about the strategy. Now, this is the first thing you guys need to note. This first thing you guys need to know. Now, to make use of this strategy, the first thing you have to check the market direction. Yes, that is the first thing. Check the market direction starting from the 1 hour time frame down to the 15-minute time frame, the 5-minute time frame. Now, when you know the market direction, that's when you're going to be using the strategy. Now, knowing the market direction, we can see looking at this market, we can see that this market is a downtrend, which you can see the market is moving like this. So the market is moving like this probably. So this is how the market is moving. So the market is moving in 2 ways right here, moving up and down. So this is how the market is moving. So the market is moving like this probably. So that's how the market has been moving. Now the first area, the second area, the third area. So when you decide that, then you go to 1 minute time frame. That's when you are going to take note of. Now note, you are expected to catch spike on the sell trade and expected to buy on a buying trade. Now that's what we came here for. Now, to make use of the strategy, this is what you need to know. If I 1 minute time frame, this is what you need to know to make use of the strategy right here. So the first thing you want to note is that note this. So now you can see. Now I'm teaching you guys how you can use strategy to buy right now. So now you see when you see this the price touching the third Bollinger band, which is the third Bollinger band area, you are expected to buy. When touching the third Bollinger band right here, when you see the price touching the third Bollinger band, then you look down to your indicator window 1. So when you look down to your indicator window 1, what do you want to see? You want to see a crossover needs to happen right here. Seeing that the two moving average touching the 15 levels of the stochastic oscillator, and you want to see a crossover happens at the moving average. The Ichimoku and the moving average need to touch 15 levels, and then you want to see a crossover happens at the moving average, which means that the black moving average needs to cross over the let's say the purple moving average, and you want to see this Ichimoku changing from gold to green. When you see the changes from gold to green, that's when you are going to enter for operation, and then you catch 5 to 10 candles, and then you are out. Or you can set your TP right at this area, right at this second Bollinger band, or wait for it to touch the third Bollinger band at the top side. So that's how you guys can make sure strategy for a buy. Now to go for a sell trade, going for a sell trade, now this is what you need to do. And let's look for a better entry, for a better confirmation right here. So we have found one. So now to go for a sell, this is what you need. You need to see this price touching the upper moving average, the Bollinger band. Upper Bollinger band. When it touches the upper Bollinger band right here, then you want to note something. You want to make sure that you see this happens right here. You see this moving average crossing the 85 levels of the stochastic oscillator and also crossing above each other. When you see the crosses happens, and then you see the Ichimoku touching the 85 level. This time you don't need it to change from green to gold. Once you see this crossover happens, then you are expecting to go for a sale. You're expecting to catch your spike right here. You're expecting to catch your spike when you see the touches happens. You're expecting to catch your spike, and then you catch your spike. Just catch 1 to 2 candles, and then you are out of the market. So that's how you guys are going to make some strategy for a scalping. Now, for those that want to be using this 15-minute time frame or 5-minute time frame, you want to check that this is what you need to do for those that are using the 15-minute or 5-minute time frame. Now let me switch that to my 5-minute time frame. And this is what you need to do. You can see based on the trade that I took here on crash 300, you can see right here, expecting the market touching the middle bridge band. When you see the touches, then you want to know something right here. Note the decision that is happening right here, which means that all this indicator need to move to the 85 levels of the stochastic oscillator, and I want to see crossover needs to happen between the moving average, and then you want to see the Ichimoku changing from green to gold. When teaching from green to gold, that is when you want to now you're done with that. You have already know that the market is in a you have already know that the market is in a downtrend. It's in a downtrend. So once that happens, on you figure that out, then the next thing you want to do is you are looking for a sell. Now, where are you expecting to go for a sell? The first thing you want to look for is when you see this the price touching the middle sorry, where are we? Sorry, probably think. So I need to just so you want to see that this see that the price touching the middle bridge band right here. When you see the touches, then you want to take note of that, and then you want to make sure that you've already text everything. I've already checked your indicator window one before jumping to any position. Figure out where the markets currently are. The best method is to make sure the crossword need to happen to all this confirmation need to happen right here, and then when that happens, then you want to check your Bollinger band. The price touches the middle Bollinger band or the first Bollinger band right here. When it touches, that's when you are going to expect to go for a sell position. So as simple as that. So now for the VIX, you can see the trade we took on VIX is a sniper entry trade, guys, and it's already making us tons of money right here. Now how do we took this trade right here? You can see the same thing applicable on VIX as well. You need to wait for it touching the 85 levels, which means that the Ichimoku at the moment having touched the stochastic oscillator 85 levels, and the crossbar needs to happen, and also the Ichimoku needs to change from green to gold. When it changes, that is when you are going to expect to go for a sell trade, and for a buy, that's when you are going to expect to go for a sell trade. Now, going for a sell trade now, we want to make sure that it's either the price touching this middle bridger band or the first bridger band, right here, the middle one or the first one. That's when you are going to take note of. So now for a buy, to go for a buy right now, this is what you want to look out for. So now the first one you want to look out for is to check your indicator window one, which is the most important aspect. Seeing this moving now, touching the 15 levels, and the Ichimoku need to touch the 15 levels of the stochastic oscillator, and you want to see crossover needs to happen, which means that the black moving average needs to cross over the purple line, and you want to see a changing of direction, which means that the Ichimoku needs to change from gold to green. That's when you are going to expect to go for a buy position. So as simple as that. So that's what you need for this strategy right here. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification. Anytime I post strategy, you guys will be aware. Thank you guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.